claims, though, that she is inside the car where they announced Mohbad is dead. And he also insisted that those people are supposed to be summoned. In other words, that the legal team are calling on the wrong set of people. And with the only witness we have in the court, who is Darusha, who said he is not ready to talk now, according to his lawyer, that makes the case to be stood down as of now.
He's not ready to talk?
Yes. His lawyer said his client is not ready to talk now because he is just coming into the matter. And he needs to file some application that his client needs to have a statement on oath before coming to court for an interrogation. But the funny question I want to ask is, in as much Corona Inquest is not a prosecution court, do you
as people come out the Corona Inquest, we own all of these institutions. And they are all there to provide justice. So what we can simply ask is, it's not a one-way traffic. I have said it repeatedly that police are meant to do their investigation while the Corona Inquest is doing their own fact-finding. Who is ready to take many lives for this? Let us know, because we are ready to even donate the life. Because on this we will stand. Justice must prevail. Nobody can deny us this justice. We know what to do, and when we are ready, we will communicate it. If it's going to take just a few of us here or more of us, if everybody is interested in justice, we will stand our feet and they will do the right thing. They will keep trying to dodge, but we will take them to the road and say, do the right thing.
Sir, are you going to support the motive of the CY lawyer when I put a question to her concerning the Iyabo Ojo statement saying Mohbad died inside the house and the CCTV is not inside the house? When the lawyer responds, he said that means Iyabo Ojo must be invited so that she's going to give the roots of and the source of that information. What is your take concerning that aspect?
Okay, now let me tell you people clearly, because I don't know what might happen tomorrow. So we always take advantage of every opportunity. From my investigation, the kind of Mohbad house has the same pattern in that estate. Same person built all the houses, and they have all the same camera features. If you doubt me, I challenge the Nigerian police to open their camera, go live, or take me to go live, speak and see the audience of 3, 4, 5 people in that street, and see that it is not the same house. You will realize that, including the staircase, it has fitted camera. And that camera, all those cameras in each houses has a storage. It has a central storage. They know what they are doing. I am not going to take this. We are not going to take it. Yes. That foolery must stop. All the houses in that street, in that estate, are built in the same pattern, in the same fitting. I personally put my life on risk to go and investigate. They all have cameras, including the staircase. I will tell you all the positions of where the cameras are. Now that the police will go into the house and somebody will say there is no camera and they turn their back, even the camera in front of the house that is still there, in below store, see, why can't the police bring where the storage is? If anybody, whoever is in charge of the CCTV storage, the central storage, they must bring all of us, the family, the lawyers, the police, we must all check together. If anything is missing, the person in charge of the CCTV should be charged for murder, conspiracy to commit murder, because that is the truth. Again, so your camera camera tó fi sí gbogbo nú ilé kọ̀ọ̀kan ní estate yẹn kò kò sí storage ẹnu lé yẹn ó store sí because tí security estate yẹn ní àwọn tó dẹ̀ ṣètò àti mú òtọ́lẹ̀ wọ́n ti dúkùú mọ́ they are after my life if anything happen to me all those in the house tí Mohbad kú hold them responsible. Yes. Hold all the police officers that investigated hold them responsible. Yes. If they want to bring the truth out they should go they should give a judgment. The police should get a warrant from the court. They should go to the central unit tí gbogbo CCTV ilé kọ̀ọ̀kan tó ń sọ̀ sí ihun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ bó ṣe gba ẹ̀mí Mohbad kedere ní everybody bari who was there you will see and that is where we are going. Yes. Ibi tá dé lọ nìyẹn except that estate wọ́n máa gba àlejò. Tí àwọn tó wà nínú estate yẹn tí gbogbo wọn bá fẹ́ gèdè ọmọ wọn if they will not come together and say release the footage of Mohbad's interior building to the police release it to the public if they will not come together that estate is harboring murder. Yes. We are challenging everybody in that estate. Yes. To search their conscience. If you wash your hand off Mohbad's death, can you wash your conscience? Do you want to gain from your children? Does that mean you're going to live longer? Does that mean you're going to make heaven? Does that justify that you are holy? Speak the truth for us. But I repeat, they are fitted the same way. Cameras are fitted in each section of each houses. Removing the cameras for physical examination does not remove the storage. The person in charge of the IT and camera in that estate they should bring the person in. The head of security in that estate should be brought in.
Still on justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad. This is a protest ongoing, Lagos State Judiciary, where the coroner inquest and all cross-examination and all of that is ongoing. As you can see, that's Yomi Fabi, who is part of the protest. It is not a protest that you need to walk around. And there will be two types of this protest from what I gathered. There will be one right there where you are seeing them, and maybe in another location, but it's not going to be a walk around. It's going to be on the spot. It's going to be on the spot. So this is in front of the court. They are making their presence and their voices heard and their presence seen right there. More people are gathering. More are coming up. People have left their businesses, jobs, and what have you. They've left it all for them to protest justice. They want the coroner inquest to do the needful. They do not want this almost a year. One inquest per month or 2 inquests per month, and then a stretch of 3 months. They say they do not want this. They want quick and swift action on this. Like I said some couple of hours ago about the terrible event that happened to the daughter of a popular judge. The maids had taken the life of this lady, and they had put her body outside, and they cleaned up everywhere, and they called the police and acted as if they just saw the body out there, like they don't know what happened, who had done what. Do you know the police did thorough investigation? It didn't take them more than some couple of hours, 3 hours, to gather details, to gather evidence that they wanted, and they interrogated. We are talking about a case that didn't last for more than 72 hours. In fact, maximum of a week. They already gotten who and how, confession and what have you. They got it all. They nabbed the culprits. Clear evidence. But here we are. Justice for Mohbad, they are not willing to do the needful. They are not willing to do the needful. They do not want to. Not at all. They don't want to. They are just trying to put in some kind of bureaucratic rubbish. The police not doing nothing. The inquest stretching too long without any clear or any meaningful progress. And if there is nothing from the coroner inquest, the case will not be tried in court. The coroner inquest is supposed to be a fact finding, but we are seeing they are not fact finding nothing. Those that are supposed to be invited and how it is supposed to be done. In fact, some people are even angry at Mohbad's father's lawyer, saying, "What are you doing? You're not acting as we want." But you need to understand how things work in Nigeria also, particularly when they do not want justice. When they do not want justice, they go about whatever they do in such a way that you will not get any answer. You won't get answers. It's terrible. Justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad. It's a peaceful one. Everyone gathered. It's a peaceful one. As you can see, the presence of the police. There are a few police, of course. That is normal. It is normal for police to be around the court. They are there, but we are not seeing heavy presence of the police as if they need to shut people up or kick people out. They are just there to maintain law and order. Justice for Mohbad. Justice. I've not seen Prime Boy yet. I've not seen Prime Boy yet here. I've not seen him yet. Maybe he will be present at the Ikorodu because, like I said, this will not end here from what I gathered after the stagnant protest. What I mean is they are on a spot. They are not moving around. It is not going to be a walk around protest. Once they are done with this, I think the next place they will be gathered will be maybe a different location in Ikorodu, or maybe this place. I'm not too sure. Maybe this is where they will be gathered all through. I'm not too sure. That is Ikorodu Judicial Division, Lagos State. Maybe this is where they will be gathered anyway, because this is the locality, although Ikorodu can be a bit big. This is the locality where Mohbad grew, and even Wunmi herself, before they moved to the island of Lagos. Justice for Mohbad. People are with their placards, as you can see. Private security. Private security. I even heard that food is also going to be made available to those that are coming there, to those that will be on ground, those that will be joining the protest. Food will be made available. So Yomi Fabi has dedicated his time, just like every other person there. All of them standing for justice for Mohbad.
You are not alone.
Still on justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad. People are coming out more. People are gathering more. It is 11:49 in Nigeria, in Lagos, Nigeria, Ikorodu, where people are gathered in front of the court. Still on justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad. Justice and nothing more. Justice for Mohbad. People are gathered and they are saying, we want to get to the end of this one. We want those that need to be brought to justice. We want them to be brought to justice. We do not want to just continuously go to the coroner inquest and stories upon stories. How long is this going to last? Like I gave you guys an example of an incident similar to that of Mohbad. It didn't take them long. It wasn't even up to a month. They were able to get to the root of it. How come this one of Mohbad is being handled like a part-time? Why is it being handled as if this is rubbish? They're handling it like a part-time. Like, okay, whenever we have nothing to do, let us look a little bit into it. Are we going to be on justice for Mohbad for 2 years? Does it make sense? No, it does not make sense. And if not for you and I, if not for social media, positive-minded people, those are really seeking for justice for Mohbad, if not for us, this would have passed away. They tried our result. They tried to see. They waited to see the end. They wanted to know. These people, when they get tired, they never knew that Mohbad was this important to a lot of people. And what they don't know is that it's not about Mohbad per se. It's about justice. People are tired. People do not want this nonsense to continue anymore. People are tired. They are so more tired. That's just what it is. They are tired. And they are saying, no, enough is enough. We will not allow this anymore. We will not allow this to continue. Enough. Enough. Enough of wickedness. Enough of evil. Enough of foolishness. Of course, this is foolishness. What else are you going to describe this? How can they say, oh, we cannot apply sentiment to this, it takes time, and the governor was citing cases that do not even connect to this, oh, this. How come the case of the daughter of the justice that was taken out, deleted by maid, how come that did not take forever? Why is justice for Mohbad supposed to take forever? Why? Why should justice for Mohbad take forever? But that of the judge's daughter did not take forever. What nonsense is that? No, it's not adding up. It's not making sense. It is not making sense. It is not making sense at all. Ladies and gentlemen, justice for Mohbad. That is what we are talking about, and that is what we'll continuously talk about.
Let's keep fighting. my table. Wait, let me put my table.
No, it's Mario. I almost did a matter.
I just want to.
Please help us to embrace it if you don't mind. Can I place it at the car? Thank you so very much, Daddy. May you be honored as well. Well, some of the sticker serve no good. And I jar things with this. Sir? Check what my boy lójú bẹ́ẹ̀. Okay, ni ẹ̀jẹ̀ lọ́hùn ló fà wá. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń rí bá nísàlẹ̀ báyìí. Torí àwọn nǹkan báyìí ìsàlẹ̀ báyìí ló máa wà. So this is it. Thank you very much, Daddy. Yeah, those are the things I've done with the support of other, and this is how it has been. So we march down back to the field.
So what is happening right there is a march to the location that they will be stationary. This is a stationary protest. It is not the type that they will be moving around. And this is a stationary protest. They will be at a spot. That's where everyone will be gathered. And security has also been provided. due to the wickedness that might want to occur by certain people who are anti-justice. Yes, those who are anti-justice. So private security, as you can see, they are on ground to protect, to make sure there is law and order. Maybe the police will also be there, but private security is present right now. So they are marching down to I think that particular spot or location that they have chosen to be, where they said that they will be gathered, where they will be gathered. That's where you see everyone is coming into. The only thing is that the entrance to that particular place is a little bit small, but I think they decided to come to this spot so as to be more protected. Once they are inside of this, it will be, I think, for reasons, for security purposes also.
I will be honest at this point with what I saw inside. It's highly either Corona into action or they move the case from Corona
The noise. It is until the police, number one, halted. The investigation has not ended with the police. The police said we have done our findings. We cannot go further than this. Somebody went to ask the corona to yes, somebody. But normally, under normal circumstances, if police are investigating the case of homicide, at this stage we cannot know from interview or from physical examination the sample they take from crime scene and what they think they can pathology and stuff. Order for it. So when the results come out, they will convey it. Fingerprint. But unfortunately, the police probably they don't have a particular center or stuff like that, or they just feel like there's no fund for that. I don't know why the police but still not. However, it is necessary to wait for the verdict of the corona. So by the time the judge looks at seriously now, you will know that it is not going to be easy to continue to use the corona when they realize that people are not responding. Suspects are not responding. They are still at the corona inquest, if you are called in to come and talk, whatever, even if you are the killer, at the corona inquest, you are still a suspect. Assumed innocent until proven guilty by the court of law. But the court will advise, is going to get the facts and then advise the DPP. So whether they run or they don't talk, if the facts before the court says that this person has a case to answer, whether they did not respond, the corona inquest will write their reports.
now. The corona is saying they don't have the power.
They cannot arrest to bring in. If you decide not to honor, like I say, and they realize that you have a case, you have a question to ask, or there's a question mark to your interaction or reaction. And if it is a final questionable stuff under the law, they will bring up charges against you. And when they advise the GDP will send the advice either the Attorney General or the police, and then they will take action. Are you saying?
Okay, now the way you said it is quite alright. Understanding. But now the judge is replying Sashit that he should go and bring the suspect himself.
Because they are, like I said, they are not suspects yet. Police, you don't know the difference. With the police, the crime boy, the nurse, spending their suspects. At Corona Inquest, they are witness. Nobody is a suspect here. You understand? So that is why we are here to say.
So the question is, how long are we going to keep waiting? How long are we going to wait?
That is why the best thing we can do now, and I'm saying this clearly to the world, which is the truth, is that immediately the Inspector General of Police number 1 should change the investigative system. If it is possible, they give us a new set of investigators from Abuja, number 1. And while they are doing that, some certain things needed to be done. Phone forensic of all the suspects. You understand? All the suspects in this matter, including the wife, including Mumi, they should be phone forensic. I mean, they should go and check the phone records a day before the bad died, days after he died, like maybe 5 to 7 days, and then they should run it. The DNA is something that's confusion. I know, because I think there is a motive around that. The issue of paternity fraud and stuff like that.